Meat crust is a novel food ingredient to regulate lipid peroxidation and oxidative stress, by Dr. Oren Tirosh. Pan fry is a common heating treatment, however. There is limited data on meat oxidation after pan fry using direct contact with an uncoated iron pan. After pan fry, a crust is formed, and in this study, we aim to evaluate the potential antioxidation and anti-lipid peroxidation capacity of such crust. Ground beef and turkey meat were heat-treated using pan fry or microwave. Lipid peroxidation was evaluated using malondialdehyde accumulation. Pan-fry meat generated lower lipid peroxidation levels versus microwave-heated meat. Iron pan fry has decreased lipid peroxidation versus Teflon pan heating. The crust significantly lowered lipid peroxidation and possessed Maillard reaction products. Strong reducing abilities, iodine removal capacity, and some iron chelation capacity. We demonstrated that the crust substantially decreases lipid peroxidation levels in various systems and can be used as a novel semi-natural antioxidant ingredient, which may lead to extended shelf life and protects various food products.